Hey guys, if you'd like to know how I got this color and also this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm going to try to record this the best way I can. It's really hard. I'm only one person and it's just hard to do these type of tutorials on my own. So anyway, let's just get right into it. I got this hair dye from Dollar Tree. It was only $1. I seen another YouTuber by the name of Brie Nicole. She actually used this and I was like, oh heck yeah. She's like an OG YouTuber. So she used this hair dye and she came out with a terrific color. So what we're going to do, we're going to use it and we're going to see what happens. I probably should have got like 5 boxes, but I know she only got 3 and her hair was way longer than mine and way thicker than mine. So we're going to see what this does. I'm going to try to record this the best way I know how. Now this is the unit. I know the lighting isn't really good in here, but I did bleach those knots. I'm not sure if you all can really tell, but I did bleach the knots. I have it just sectioned off. The hair is like a natural, you know, it comes in that natural blackish brownish type color, and it is a body wave texture, so it's really thick and full. I'm going to get the mixture together and get it on the hair, and then I'll be back to kind of show you guys how it has turned out, or what the process of kind of what it's looking like. Okay, so I got like some natural lighting going on here, and it's still kind of like not giving you the color. Okay. All right. Okay, hey y'all. So I love the color that the $1 bleach did, $1 hair color box dye did, but I am going to go in and do some highlights in the hair. So I picked this up from my local beauty supply store. I'm using 40 volume developer. That is a bit much of a developer, but I'm just doing highlights. Okay, so I do want it to be a little bit lighter, so I'm using a lightning activator pack. Okay, 7th stage. I am gonna have to be very careful because I'm already using a very strong cream developer. Okay, and I'm also using this kind of powdered bleach. All right, so I will be coming back to you all to kind of show you all the results and things like that. Hey guys, so I am done applying the bleach, and what I have is just, I have the hair up in like a clip while it's kind of processing. I'm not gonna leave the bleach on there for long, and I know you're probably like, girl, what is that? I did not do it in any type of order. I didn't worry about being neat. I just slathered it on there. My whole method to this madness is to just have chunky sporadic highlights. I don't want anything too neat, and I don't want anything like just too complicated, and I want to keep like this tutorial like as beginner friendly as possible, so that way you don't have to be precise and you don't have to be neat. I didn't show myself actually applying everything because literally guys, all I did was just slather it on there any type of way. I didn't do sections or anything. I just slathered it on there. I'm gonna keep this bleach on there for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna wash it out, blow dry, and I'll be back to kind of show you guys what we're working with it. Alright guys, so I'm actually applying the wig. I know this looks a little crazy, but an easy way to curl hair is if you put it in ponytails and just like curl the ponytails and then take the hair down, and then you'll have some nice curls. I have so much hairspray in my hair, that is why it's so big and kind of hard for me to get through, because I spray almost a whole bowl of hairspray in it, but the curls came out cute. Hey guys, so basically throughout the course of this video, you guys have seen me pretty much bring this hair to what it is now. I'm very happy with everything as far as the color and pretty much how it came out. Okay, so let's kind of get into the specs of the hair. This hair is from Nadula Hair Company. I have the Brazilian body wave, and I have it in 20, 22, 24 with a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal. Okay, So let's get straight into it. You guys know that I did dye this hair with Dollar Tree hair color, okay, which is still kind of mind-blowing and bizarre to me, but it definitely worked, okay? So you guys kind of seen that process at the beginning of the video, and kind of like the little color, it gave it a hint of color, which was great. I feel like if I would have had more boxes, I would have gotten more of a color payoff, but nevertheless it did come out like pretty good, and it did lift the hair to like this brownish type, auburny type color, and I thought that it was really nice. But what I wanted to do was go in and add some highlights to the hair to kind of wake it up, like wake the hair up and make it a little bit more alive, okay? So that's exactly what I did, and I'm really happy I did that. I just did pretty subtle, like I call them Beyonce highlights. Like I did pretty subtle highlights, in the way that I got these pretty subtle highlights. I showed you all that as well. I just used some 40 volume cream developer and also some powder bleach, along with this little activator pack that I got from my local beauty supply store, and it did give me like these little hints of color. And what made it so good about that Dollar Tree hair color, it already lifted the hair to like this brownish color, because this hair did come like in a natural black favor, as far as kind of lifting it to that brown that that I wanted to have, instead of having it like black with my little high-low lights. So yeah, I absolutely love the way it came out, and all I did was curl it with just like a regular curling one, and I got these pretty like waves because I didn't really want to wear it straight. I really wanted to curl the hair. So anyways, I've really been liking this hair. I have reviewed this company. I'm sorry, I'm like all over the place. I'm kind of tired. Anyway, I have reviewed this company before. I would try to link those videos down below so you all can see the other review that I did for this company, and I had a really good experience. And I really do like this hair, guys. It really is a nice. I bleached this hair pretty much twice because I used the box dye, which does come with like bleach and developer, you know, and I bleached this hair twice, and I did not have a lot of shedding. That was another thing that was kind of amazing to me, because as far as shedding goes, I had almost no shedding. I mean, I had a few strands, but literally almost, I'm sorry, I have like some flyaways, but literally almost no shedding. I think that that's crazy to me. That is crazy to me, because on top of all that processing, the hair still has life. That is crazy, and it is amazing, okay? Like I'm kind of just, I'm sorry, but I'm kind of just mind blown, because I took this through a heck of a lot of processing, and it really held up. I love that. Now you guys know that usually I use makeup on the lace, but this time I did go in and bleach my knots. I don't really bleach my knots often, but I really did like the outcome of me bleaching my knots. I also bleached my knots with the 40 volume developer, and like I said, I'm just bleaching, coloring, applying a lot of freaking heat to the hair, and it's just doing its due diligence. Like, it's just holding up. This hair is strong, built to last, forward, tough, and I think that's what I really like. Like I said, my last experience is pretty good, so I had no doubt about this experience. But this is not going to be a really long video, guys. I just want to come show you guys how I got this look, okay? And I just love, like, I put a lot more highlights underneath, and in the front I kept it more subtle and wearable, okay? Because I just didn't want it to be too much. I want this to kind of be an everyday look, and this hair is super full, especially to just be 3 bundles in a frontal. This hair is super full, and you know I do have longer lengths, okay? Oh, and also the frontal, everything was very easy to work with, and the hairline was kind of pre-plucked, so I did like that too, so I didn't have a lot to pluck. But anyways, yes, I really hope this helped. Hopefully you guys will go out and purchase you some Dollar Tree hair color, because it most definitely worked. I could have kept the hair in that state, the way that it kind of turned a little bit of brown, but I wanted to give, like I said, I wanted to add like pops of color here and pops of color there to really kind of you know, just, we're getting into like fall, and I know this is probably not too fallish, but I just wanted to really kind of just I don't know, just get some highlights. I mean, everyone loves highlights, right? So yeah, like I said, I hope this helps, and hopefully you will try out the hair color too. And if you do, let me know how it goes. If you have tried it out already, how did it work out for you? Did this video help? Do you like videos like this? Let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also share my videos on a lot of platforms so people can know what's up with me. And yeah, I will definitely see y'all on my next one. Links will be down below for this hair and also this hair company. Okay, bye y'all.